WordPress automatically saves revisions of your posts and pages, allowing you to view and restore previous versions. Here's how to enable and view WordPress revisions. By default, WordPress saves revisions of your content. However, if they are disabled in the wp-config.php file, you can enable them. Access the wp-config.php file. Using an FTP client or the file manager in your hosting control panel, go to your WordPress root directory. Enable revisions. Find the line that says, change it to the following. This will enable WordPress to save revisions again. You can also set a limit, for example, define to save the last 5 revisions. Edit a post or page. In your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Posts or Pages, then click Edit on the content you want to view revisions for. Find Revisions. Scroll to the Revisions section in the Post Editor. You will see a list of saved revisions with timestamps. Restore a revision. Click on any revision to preview it. If you want to restore it, click Restore this revision.